This is Winston Jill, Cooking and Discovery TV, coming to you today with a spicy chicken curry with vegetables and special, yes, Indian seasoned rice recipe dish creation here today. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be working with here. Have the Indian rice, special Indian rice, and all the other ingredients, carrots and broccoli. I have bell peppers and Idaho potatoes, and over there I have some celery leaves, yes, onions, yes, all these are the ingredients, and I have my sweet corn and my sweet peas. All the other ingredients that I'm working with in my cooking lab on the Winston Jill Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform, in phase 2, part 2 of my cooking journey here today. So without further ado, let me get back to the stove. Alright, so this is my hot spicy chicken curry here. Okay, I have the celery stalks and I have chayote, or known in Jamaica as chocha. So now I'm going to add some other vegetables and get some liquid. Alright, this rice pot is calling me. It's ready. It's ready to go. Alright, I'm going to put some broth in here. I was hoping that I didn't have to, but yes, I'm putting some chicken broth liquid in it, straight from the can. Alright, so when this starts boiling, then I'll add the rest of the ingredients in here and finish this off. Alright, now I'm going to add powder seasoning and then add the chicken, add the rice, not the chicken, but add the rice in here. So that's onion powder. Rice. Alright, my friends, these are all the remaining ingredients today that is left in this cooking journey on the Winston Jill Cooking and Discovery TV, yes, on the YouTube platform. We're in part 2, phase 2 of this cooking journey in my cooking lab on the Winston Jill Cooking and Discovery TV. So now I'm going to add some vegetables into the hot spicy chicken curry. Potatoes. Gotta turn color because they've been sitting on the table for a very long time. Alright, but don't worry. I'm going to add my carrots and broccoli. cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. I'm going to put in the rest of my celeries. Those are the leaves. Yes, the leaves from the celery stalk. I put in the stalk first, and now the rest of my onions, yes, and green scallion. You're watching the Winston Joe cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Next, I have some tomatoes, which I didn't put in. So now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Those are my tomatoes. Alright. Next, I'm going to add my bell peppers. Top it off with my butter. Cover it up. My friends, I'm going to add my corn. Yes. Sweet peas. Stir it up now. Should have switched parts. Should have stayed with the pot. That is my hot spicy curry. Alright, this is the hot spicy curry chicken. Alright, this is done, my friends. Yes, this is done. This is done. Alright, you're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. That is my hot spicy chicken curry with broccoli, carrots, celery, name it, bell peppers, onion, garlic, everything is in there. Potato, yes. And of course chicken, spices, and seasoning. Here, special seasoned rice. Yeah, it didn't quite come out the way I wanted because I changed the pot and this pot was sticking to the bottom. But anyway, yes. So I will settle for the outcome. So that is my creation for today on the Winston Joe Cooking and the Discovery TV. Yes. Alright, there we go. Alright, hot spicy chicken curry and special Indian seasoned rice, sweet peas, corn, carrot. Yes. Alright. Alright, my friends, I'm going to share on my portion and also my neighbor's portion. Yes, the one. That is one neighbor. I'm just sharing. Say I'm going to take it out, so I'm going to put it on my plate. Not do anything special. Yeah. Specials in cooking. Yeah, the specialties in the cooking and the taste. That is my paramount concern. Yes, but I will not eat this part next time. Alright, my friends, take a look at it. So that is my creation for today on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, on the YouTube platform. Alright, so that's my hot, spicy chicken vegetable curry. Yes, with special Indian seasoned rice. Yes. See how lovely it looks, how beautiful it looks, how creative. Well, it tastes even much better. Yes, tastes very delightful and delicious. Wonderful. And you'll see this on the Instagram cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So now I'm going to share my neighbor's portion. Alright, so this contains my neighbor. And the rice there. Come on, very shelly, but nonetheless, most important thing is cooked. Yes. It should taste very delicious with all the gravy and the chicken on it. Yes, it tastes supper is hot. Pardon my expression. You're watching the Winston Joe. Okay, alright, Discovery TV. Alright, that's it. Neighbor. Really is looking out here. Alright, so this is all my neighbor. Alright, so take a good look at it. Alright, so you're seeing this on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Thank you for watching, my friends. Please like and share, and please enjoy the view. And yes, you can try this recipe in your own kitchen lab. Cooking lab, yes. Kitchen lab, cooking lab. Just watch the whole video and get all the ingredients and all the recipes.